Akwai magana a cikin baki, ko da bakin ba jan baki. Girman shuka ba mamaki, in har ta samu ƙasa mai taki. Jarumi jimiri gun yaƙi, har ma akan kira shi da zaki. Shi ku rago tsoro ga raki, sai san ado da rigar saki. Distinguished judges, respected teachers, my audience, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to all and assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha Nasir Biyabiki, representing SS3, and I stand here to present my piece titled The Beauty of Hausa Culture. The North, Arewar Mutagado, where the drums resound, our culture lives so deep, profound, in every dance, in every song. The Hausa spirit stands strong. Our greetings warm like morning sun. Our words of peace unite as one. In woven cloth and turban bright, our pride reflects in colors light. Our Gidan Sarauta stands tall with might. Echoes of Kakaki pierce through the night, like perfume drifting through the air. Our culture spreads its beauty rare. It is a mirror of our soul, binding hearts to make us whole. Koda rolgal berdemen, hapude berde wade and timube. The talking drum begins to speak, while ancient cells through elders leak. The note of Sir Abubakar Tafa Balewa and Sheikh Usman Danfadio. Graceful greetings, golden gowns, glowing gardens of royal towns. The henna blooms on maidens' hands. The horsemen ride through golden sands. The shining beads of Kayan Kwaliya, the taste of Suo, the scent of Kayan Yazi, tradition sweet, pure, and nice. نحن نحب هوسا مع كل قلوبنا مناسا هوسرمو with all our hearts. Our culture is the beauty of our land in clothing, dance, and spoken strength. From the thread to the wedding bride, from Hawan Sallah to Gaisuwar Dare, al'adunmu na Hausa are so beautiful. We live with honor and cultural pride. Thank you for giving me the audience to present my poem, and wassalamu alaikum.